Apart from freshly caught and cooked prawns, miso honey prawns are probably my favourite. So here's the recipe for you to enjoy. Firstly, make a marinade by adding 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic minced up, followed by 1 tablespoon of miso, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Now place all the ingredients into a bowl and mix it thoroughly. Now this is the longest part of the job. Get half a kilo of prawns, remove the heads and the shells and place them into a separate bowl. Now take the marinade and pour about half of it over the prawns and then rotate them through the mixture to ensure that they're totally covered. That can be refrigerated for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now that will marinate the prawns and they'll be ready to cook. Now add a small amount of sesame oil to your wok or pan. Got the oil heating now. We've got them in a single layer. Give them a minute or so, a minute or two on that side. They will turn red when they're cooked. Try not to overcook them. You don't want them going tough. Now give that about a minute or so. There's the first lot. And we'll just leave those couple. One thing about prawns, they don't take long to cook. You just got to get that heat through them. Few left now. Let's get these in there. Alright, they're almost done. Now I like to have a few greens with my prawns. So this is a bit of bok choy. Got to get that heat into that. Now you can use normal rice or you can use this quick preparation rice, which is what we're using today, which takes about a minute to cook just by putting some hot water on top of it. Now I do this probably the opposite way to my wife, in that I put the prawns in first. Then sprinkle them with sesame seeds. Next I'll throw the bok choy on top. Now the rice. Now the next step will make my wife cringe. I'll just stir it up. As you can probably appreciate, I'm not so interested in presentation, but how the whole dish tastes, which is the opposite to what my wife would do. She would put the rice first, bok choy, prawns and sesame seeds. So there we have it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe.